Entonces le digo en el video. Sí. Sí. 50% por los mexicanos. Nada por los gringos. ¿Comprende? Bien. Bien. Y si pierde el envío, hermano, plomo. Plomo, plomo, plomo. Hasta luego, cabrón. Never mind what just happened now. That was just don't worry. Do you know what I mean? It's just some business. You know what I'm saying? You want to learn how to make a durag out of a towel? Man will teach you. Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. It's your boy Tenam School. And right now, I'm in an undisclosed location. I will not reveal where I am, but let's just say that I'm not on the continent, you know what I'm saying? I'm in another continent, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. And I know you've been waiting for another direct video, you know what I'm saying? But I take my time with these videos, you know what I'm saying? I take my time, I take it real easy. Because I don't want to rush into anything. I don't want to rush, because whenever I rush, I'll make some trash content. So basically, before we start this video, make sure you go down in the description, sign the petition, bro. Sign that petition, bro, so that Nike and other companies can stop exploiting the Uyghur Muslim, innit? You know what I'm saying, in China and that, you know what I'm saying? They got their man in concentration camps and that, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you sign the subscribe. Yo, bro, you good, yeah? You good, fam? You sure you good, yeah? Make sure you sign the petition, bro. You know what I'm saying? Sign the petition, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let's make a bit of a noise. Then when they notice, we're gonna move strategically, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't get it twisted, I love Nike, but what they're doing is a bit mad, bro. It's a bit mad, so we need to do something. For this video, you're gonna need a towel, a plastic bag, 10 fingers, and a brain. Actually, no, you don't need a brain, because I'm the brain, you know what I'm saying? I'm just providing the idea. So you just need your fingers and the towel and all that, you know what I'm saying? Before we start this video, we need to say what the purpose of a durag is. The purpose of a durag is to lay your hair down and trap moisture, do you know what I'm saying? So basically, this durag is made out of a towel. So we're gonna use the plastic to trap the moisture, and basically, we're gonna put the towel to make it lay down, you know what I'm saying? You hear me? You get what I'm saying? So if you're in jail, you forgot your durag, you're overseas in a place where they don't sell durags, man's got you. So if you're a waiver, if you got cane rolls, if you got single plastic 2-strand twist, that durag is for you. And if you're in a place where they don't sell durags in it, I know before they never used to sell them in jail and that, but now they do. It's all good, bruv. It's all good, fam. So yeah, let's get started. What you're gonna do is take the plastic bag, by preference like one of them long plastic bags. You can find them anywhere, Tesco's, Poundland if you're in America, Walmart, find them anywhere, man. Put that down on your head, yeah. Put down your head just like a bonnet, in it, you know what I'm saying? You hold it from the two extremes. So keep in mind that you're just using this to keep the moisture. This is why I'm telling you this is the best durag. And now right now you got a plastic durag on your head, but this is not enough for compression, do you know what I'm saying? This is just to trap. This is just to trap the moisture, you know what I'm saying? Because if you don't try the moist, if you don't put this and you put the towel on your head, fam, your hair's gonna fall out if you sleep with that durag, fam, with that towel durag. And you don't want that to happen. Do you? No? I don't think you do. So yeah, we're gonna put the towel now on to add the compression and this to keep it moist. You know what I'm saying? All I want you to do is to take the towel now, fold it into 1 and 2. Yeah. Now that you got it, flip it around. Yeah. Put it over your head. Make sure it reaches this line. Yeah. Keep it like this. Hold it. Make sure you grab it firmly. You see that? Grab it firmly, pull it back. Just make it mad. You see? So just so now it's gone through. What you gotta do is pull it. Pull it. That's it. You got yourself a durag. That's it. Compression is there. And you're good. You see? You see, pull it down a bit. Put it down a bit more for more compression. That's it. It's straight, man. We'll try to put it back down a bit. A bit more. You know what I mean? And that's it, man. You got yourself a durag. This is good, especially when you have long hair and stuff, because it will trap the moisture. You know what I'm saying? The scalp will be moisturized and then it's gonna sweat. Your hair is gonna sweat and that, you know what I mean? So this is ideal, man, for hair growth. But don't keep it on for too long. Maybe try to keep it overnight so that, you know what I'm saying, your waves stay tight. Yeah, or your hair does not get dry, and then your head will create the natural oils and that, you know what I mean? This is good for man, them, girls, everyone, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe and share. Sign the petition, bruv. Yeah, man.